Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady, where I help home business owners win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, and when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the home business community. Okay, so today we're going to talk about unemployment. So because of the coronavirus and the CARES Act, my self-employed people, my independent contractors, home business owners, now you are eligible for unemployment, where on a regular day, you're not. Okay. And so with that, the CARES Act has allowed that self-employed people would be eligible for pandemic unemployment assistance. Is also called pandemic emergency unemployment compensation. Is a whole bunch of acronyms, but essentially my self-employed people are eligible to apply for unemployment through their states. That is a state-run thing. But here's where we're getting into the problem, because a lot of people are collecting unemployment right now. Unemployment claims are up. We're watching the news every day, and you see those numbers creeping higher and higher every day. But I really want to talk about understanding the taxability when it comes down to unemployment in general. Because in talking to a lot of people, nobody is having taxes removed and nobody is saving for taxes. And this is going to cause a huge, huge problem come next year filing. So with the pandemic unemployment assistance, the pandemic unemployment, that allows an additional $600 per week for up to 13 weeks. So that's another $7,800 that is coming into your home that is untaxed. Now, you have the option of taking taxes out, or if you can discipline yourself to save for taxes yourself, okay? Because what's going to happen is this. There are people that have lost their jobs and are claiming unemployment, and then also claiming this and whatever that however that figures as a percentage of your income, and then the pandemic unemployment insurance. So if you're not having taxes taken out, this is additional taxable income that is coming into your home. And so when it comes around time for filing, then you're going to see a change in what you may owe, or if you're usually getting a refund, that refund may be reduced based on this unemployment. So that's going to impact your earned income tax credit. All of those tax credits. Like I said, you might be used to receiving a large refund, and because you have this unemployment income that's coming into your home and taxes are not being withheld, you might find yourself in a spot where either you're owing, or the refund that you're used to getting, you're not getting that, okay? So the lesson here is to go to the IRS website, do the withholding checkup to see where you are based on your last pay stub. And if you've been getting, adding this unemployment income in, so that you see where you are tax wise. And if you need to save up a little extra money in order to pay your tax bill, then you need to make the adjustment to do that. Okay. Because the last thing that we want to see is, after this whole pandemic drama where people have lost their jobs and, of course, seen reduction in hours, reduction in income, all those things, then have tax debt then lumped onto that. That is just insult to injury. That's jumping out of the frying pan into the fire. Okay. So yes, unemployment is taxable. And I saw someone post where they said that, the state benefits, they're having taxes withheld, but the taxes weren't coming out of the pandemic unemployment assistance. And listen, I don't know how that works. That's something that's done to the state. So please don't ask me how to have taxes taken out, because I don't know. Okay. But what I recommend to you is that if you are not having taxes removed from that pandemic unemployment insurance, that you discipline yourself to set that money aside, so that you are not surprised, or you're prepared when it comes down time for filing. Okay. Because there isn't going to be, an oops, and, and people are asking about forgiveness for this tax debt. We haven't even gotten that far yet. Congress has not even addressed this possible situation to where, to where taxpayers may now be in trouble be in tax debt because of this. Nobody even thinking about that. So as a tax professional, I am telling you, go to the IRS website, use the withholding calculator to see where you are. Make sure you calculate all the income that is in your home. If you have two people who are receiving unemployment benefits, get all this income together to see where you are withholding wise, just to make sure that you're okay. And if you're short, based on this calculator, you need to start saving up this money now so that you are not in a tight spot when it comes down for filing in 2021. And I'm going to tell you, and the tax pro community, we are not looking forward to it. Okay, because we already know that there is going to be a lot of drama around, reduced tax refunds and people having tax bills that they can't pay. So this is my charge to you, to get this party started now, understanding where you are. If you're going back to work, things are starting to open up at this point. If you're starting to go back to work, all of those things, you need to take charge of this now. Okay, so I encourage you to share this video with your friends or whomever that may be in this situation, to do this math now. All right, so that you can be prepared. You're not caught off guard with a tax bill and all of that, because now you've got time to do something. Okay, you've got time to do something now. Come December, it's probably going to be a little bit too late. Okay, so that's really it. Unemployment, by and large, is taxable. Okay, I've never seen it not taxable, just for the record. So it's taxable. Have those taxes removed. If you can't have taxes removed based on whatever system, you better be saving up at least 25% of that income for taxes. Use the withholding calculator to do the math to see where you are, so you don't wind up in tax trouble. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning into Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we air Monday through Friday, and you can come right here to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right, have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.